Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find where our Chrome downloads on Android. We start by opening Chrome. After that, click on the three upper points and then click on the download option. Here we can see the downloads made from the Chrome browser. Another option is to go to your phone's file management app and look for the downloads folder. There you will find the files you have downloaded in Chrome as well. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.